Welcome to a special kind of top offers video from ClickBank. If you didn't know already, ClickBank recently established an exciting partnership with a native advertising platform, Taboola. This means ClickBank's affiliates can easily promote quality ClickBank products in compliance with Taboola's native advertising platform. Plus, they make really cool shirts. So what are native ads? They're banner ads that appear on blogs and websites across the internet, and Taboola reaches more than 500 million daily active users. In fact, Taboola's now made it even easier to be able to promote ClickBank offers on their platform because they pre-approved all of the offers that we have. So you know that your campaign is going to be able to run time and time again. In this video, we're going to cover 7 of the latest and greatest Taboola compliant offers on ClickBank. But we have a full list of offers over on our blog, which we'll link in the description. Now, without further ado, here are the top ClickBank offers for native ads. And we're going to be starting off with Quietum Plus. This is a fantastic offer because it really does well for any demographic over the age of 45, especially 60 plus, that is dealing with any sort of hearing complications as you get older. So if you know people that would like to care about their hearing and they know that it's getting a little bit more difficult, this is the perfect offer to present. With a high converting VSL that's approved for Taboola, this is something you're gonna get killer EPCs at 0.97, an average payout of about $125, and it's converting at 0.77%. What that means for you on a native ad network is you have a high enough payout to really go broad, and this thing is converting well enough that you could expect profitability very quickly, especially when you're in a large ad network like Taboola and what they have to offer. So if you want a good starting point and you know that you want to help people maybe start to hear a little bit better, Quietum Plus is the perfect offer to get started for you. So coming at number 2, this is actually a product and a company I care so much about. They're doing amazing things, and that's Bubs Naturals. Very kind of white hat, very clean e-com product, and it is some of the most high quality collagen in the market. On top of that, they're selling through a really amazing story. The name Bubs actually came from a veteran who's no longer with us that lost his life, and they're really doing this for him and having this product for him, which means that you have a great story to tell with a super high quality product and something that is approved on Taboola. Like any sort of supplement, you can know that your AOVs are going to be a little bit higher. But one thing with this offer that you should expect, we mentioned Quietum Plus, really high conversion, really high payouts. This is going to be a little bit lower, but what you're going to see is in the back end in terms of your return rates. Chargebacks, refunds, super low, and know that you are not only helping a great mission, you're promoting a fantastic product with a great VSL that converts very well and is telling an awesome story. So if you want to be part of something special that's also going to make you money, Bubs Naturals is a perfect product to get started on promoting today. But we still have some more for you, so strap in and get ready for number 3. Coming at number 3, we have SonoFit, and this is another hearing supplement, but I will tell you, this has an incredibly unique mechanism. I guess I should have shown something different than unique, but it's a really fantastic mechanism they're using to sell this supplement around autotoxin. So I don't want to ruin the surprise. You should watch this really fantastic high converting VSL, and it backs out in the numbers as well with EPCs upwards of 0.89, and you're getting an average payout of 120.81 and a conversion rate that's really showing that people love the mechanism as much as I do at 0.74%. This is a great fit for you to even test against the other hearing offer we mentioned first and see which one is going to get the best conversions for you. Realistically, with those types of payouts and already approved on Taboola, you could expect something that's going to be very forgiving as you learn how to penetrate into this market and make healthy commissions for you on this offer and many more to come. So coming in number 4, we're actually going a little bit more specific with Prostadine, which happens to be a men's health product in the prostate field. So great to support that. It's a really common issue for any man, understandably over the age of 40, but they don't like to talk about it a lot, which is a great place to live when you have a high converting VSL with, again, a fantastic, simple to understand mechanism. Essentially, use a metaphor pairing that hard water to almost being like our prostate. So really easy to understand, and it's why we're seeing such great conversions on this product at 0.96% with an average payout for you of 131.28. That's across all their affiliates. So there's potential, if you're doing great, for that to be even higher. And that gives you EPCs at 1.26. So you're gonna have a slightly smaller market, but one thing I want to remind you of, women buy products for their husbands. So this is still a very broad audience and a high converting offer. If you feel like you have a strength in talking to men, this might be the first product that you should start off with on Taboola, knowing it's gonna be approved, but this is successful pretty much in any sort of paid traffic channel that you might have. Again, this is a great offer to promote on Taboola, but let's talk about another one coming in at number 5. Coming in at number 5, we've already talked about the prostate, we've talked about the body, and we've talked about hearing, but we haven't talked about probably the most important part of our body, which is our brain. Now come in Nervogen, which is talking about the brain. This is a brain supplement in the nootropic space, and it is converting incredibly well. So if you know people are worried about what happens when you get older with their brain, or with me, every single day, or every single kid I have, always makes me concerned about my memory and brain, this is a product for you. So we see 45 plus be very, very good for this. Again, high conversions here with a conversion rate of 1.15. It is the highest converting product that we have mentioned so far on the list. The payouts are a little bit lower than some of the other ones. With that kind of conversion rate, you could expect great EPCs, which we do see at 1.25. Again, this is a fantastic VSL, great to support on Taboola native audience, any native network, because everyone cares about their brain and we all see ourselves being impacted by things that happen when we get older. This is almost a must test for you. So if you haven't already tried it already, jump in, go to the affiliate marketplace, grab your link and get promoting today. So now we're gonna be going into number 6, our 6th offer, and it's our first weight loss offer. This is Lean Biome, which has a doctor backing and a kind of Hollywood style VSL. It is pretty impressive. I feel like it has at least a Rotten Tomato score well above 80. So you know that it's gonna be a good one, and we see it in the numbers as well. This one, going again, focusing on more of the weight loss category, we are seeing the largest payouts that we've mentioned at this point for any of our Taboola compliant offers at $149.15. So $150 every single time you get a sale. You could see how that is pretty forgiving and pretty appealing, especially for a broad audience like weight loss. So the EPCs on this offer are a whopping 1.43, but the conversion rate is a little bit lower than maybe we just saw with the brain offer at 0.96, but it is nothing to feel like you're not gonna get great performance. So if you need a weight loss offer and you're not doing anything on native around weight loss, this is the perfect starting point. In fact, stop this video, go to the marketplace, look at the description below, snag this one and get promoting, or at least get approved to start promoting, because this is gonna be a fantastic winner for you, especially in the weight loss space. Still in the weight loss realm, but a little bit different, it brings us to our 7th offer, which is GlucoTrust. GlucoTrust is in the diabetes space. It's helping people support healthy blood sugar. Fantastic, and again, cursory to a weight loss market, but we see amazing performance on this. In fact, it's been one of our most stable offers over the last 2 years, and it's something that's still converting really well today. You know you're getting a proven, optimized offer with a great VSL, and the numbers back it up as well, with a very healthy average payout of 146.74, a conversion rate of 0.67, and EPCs at $1. This is a consistent performer. To see those numbers maintained after 2 years is almost unheard of. And what that means for you as an affiliate is you could trust that this is an affiliate offer and in the blood sugar space that is gonna perform for you. You don't have to guess, you don't have to think there's something maybe wrong with the offer. We know it works, so all you have to do is focus on your ads, because Taboola is gonna be perfectly fine with you running this offer, as they've already approved everything that goes along with it. Okay guys, there you have it. From Quietum Plus to GlucoTrust, we've just gone through 7 of the best ClickBank offers that are pre-approved for Taboola's native ad network. These are just some of the high quality ClickBank products that you could promote as an affiliate right now. You can find a comprehensive list of all these offers on our blog, and the link is gonna be in the description. Partnerships like these truly are the future for the affiliate marketing industry, and we couldn't be more excited for you to take advantage. With the combined power of ClickBank's vast product marketplace and Taboola's massive ad network, you have a greater opportunities for affiliate success than ever before. Plus, you might get yourself a really nice t-shirt. Until next time, happy scaling. We look forward to seeing what your campaigns can achieve with ClickBank and Taboola.